So I'm just about done with it, and misting it with my flat black. I just got this the other day, thanks to Jim Folker. Thank you, Jim Folker. I didn't do these yet, I did that, but I'm gonna mist these a little bit with flat black. That's what I usually do at the end. I did the upstairs first, and then I turned it over. A little bit more road grime usually, and all that dirt and stuff in the bottom. There's not a lot of fresh rust usually, and it's usually dirt. I turn these a little bit to make sure that, because there was some like that. See that newer rust, but I turned them and it's kind of aimed in there a little bit, but I had went from like way to hell over here. I mean, you really missed it with the black. And I hit in here with that flat black, and then underneath here a little bit more. Oops, right there. Then underneath the gas tanks a little bit more. And then up in here, I'll probably have to hit it with the brush a little bit too. I'm waiting for my cat to start batting at my jewelry hanging there. Wasn't too heavy at all for the paint job. I mean, it just misted black. I mean, just wanted just really lightly to get the glossiness and shine off of it. And it's not what I wanted. Yeah. Gets in there and it just takes down the shine a little bit, like road dirt dust. That flat black mist does. And it's in there too. To turn it a little bit. So you get some more sunlight in there. I mean, at first glance, it looks black, but it's not, when you get into it. Different lightings and stuff change a lot of stuff too. And false lighting will make it almost look purple. I chipped my paint on that damn stupid plastic. I gotta get in there with a brush, put something in there. He said I didn't want to get too dark. I wanted it to look dark, but not too dark. Do you love how that paint just chipped away from the heat and the turbos and that exhaust manifold? I gotta do something on top of here yet. I'm gonna probably put an elbow or something for that thing that goes on there. I'll probably find an alternator or something. I don't know where it went, but gas tank turned out pretty good, I think. I don't know if it's coming out good. I can't lean down there and see. I wanted it kind of more not so rusty, but more like rubbed. Like people, this is probably going to be powdery yet for a while, or dries. Wish I had more like a dull clear coat I can spray it with. And I chipped away a little bit there when I put that bracket on with the knife. I took that bolt off so it could glue it better, and I hit the damn frame with my knife. So there's little places I got to touch up. Probably could have